Hi, I'm Martha. I am a 66-year-old teacher here in California. And guess what? I am building a profitable flower farm before I retire next year. And I need your help. On Sundays, I have a little roadside stand where I sell my flowers in mason jars for $10. And I put them, look, they're $10, but they look like $60 arrangements. Um, I need your help. I'm taking this course from Floret. It's called Flower Arranging Workshop, and it's an online course because I'm a master gardener and I've been a grower all my life, but actually arranging the flowers, I sort of need some help. So I thought if you can, and if you like to, if you just want to have some flower fun, if you can subscribe and in the comments below, let me know what you liked, what you did not like about my bouquets. That would really be some great feedback for me. Because one thing about gardening, no one knows everything. So I'm not going to pretend like I know everything, okay? And I do know that every bouquet has a story. Yeah, take a look. This is what I'm growing in July for my mason jar arrangements tomorrow. I have some Lysianthus, I have sunflowers, lace flowers, I have scabiosa, I have celosia, I have blush cosmos, I have sweet peas. My sweet peas are still blooming. I wish you could just smell the fragrance of the sweet peas. Yeah. So if this sounds like fun to you, or if you just like to help a little teacher out building this profitable flower farm, please subscribe and join me and, tell me what you liked and what you did not like. I will accept all feedback because it's just an opportunity for me to learn. And I hope that you will have an opportunity to learn right alongside with me. Okay? Yeah, I just want to meet some nice people and have some fun in my garden. I I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye, Martha from Monterey Bay, Zone 10. Happy gardening.